Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Afif Rahim. I'm as a representative of my team, which consists of 3 members, me, myself and I, Nur Syahirah and Zawani. I'm going to present a project which has been assigned by Dr. Suraya, which is on the topic of to make a system, reservation system by using a graphical user interface. So to make this graphical user interface, I choose to use a software which is called Eclipse because I think it's easier to make it. I'm not sure. I want to use NetBeans at first, but actually I'm having trouble of creating project by using NetBeans. I'm not sure why, but that's okay. So I use an Eclipse. I found another way. Okay. So first of all, I think it's easier because we use something called Windows Builder, which we designed this Windows by ourselves. We choose our colors and we input the name. The text field and the button by ourselves. And this software, Eclipse software, will code itself. Look like this. It will code itself on select rating hours, and they'll make this combo box and set the font and either it's plain or bold or in the size like that. Okay, so let's back to the topic. Basically right now I'm going to present our GUI, our graphical user interface system, the reservation system. So basically we ask the user to input, or the customers to input their names, the IC number and the license number, and then to choose which car. Let's try and run first. Okay, the name, the IC number, the license, and then the car that they want to rent, and then how many hours they want to rent, which has been assigned to 2 hours or 6 hours or 12 hours or 34 hours. Okay, and then the user needs to generate bill to come out with the total payment and the reset button to reset everything, and then to exit. Okay, so let me explain the coding first. Okay, so basically this is just a field for user to input like this. Okay, for the text name display, which is this is when we click the generate bill button to display the name. We set the text of the display name from the text name that the user has input. I'm not sure where it is. Right here. Hey. Okay, I'm not sure where it is, but just get the text name and then display it on the text name display, and then the same goes to the IC number, and the same goes to a license. And for the car display, we get the text by the combo box car and get the selected item. This one I'm going to explain right now and later on. Okay, first I'm going to explain on the bill number. I think yes, the bill number. So I make it as a random number because to generate the bill number randomly. Okay, so this is how it goes. I'm not sure how to explain this because I follow on the internet. Basically it's just we declare the number 1 and then we use this method random, and then just becomes randomly. Okay, then let me explain this button when the user click. Okay, this is for the total payment. Basically we have declared each rate for each car. So if user select the Asia and the the hours is equals to 2, and this is basically how to calculate the total payment and the hours, display the hours rent and the total payment. Basically it's all the same. And then let's go to the reset button. Okay, basically when we reset, all the variable that we use is text name and everything. We set text into to null and set for combo box, set the selected item to the please select car, and then and for the exit the system, basically we use this T option pane. Confirm. We ask the user why they want to the confirmation of they want to exit or not. For this and this is the title of the windows, and then we use the yes or no option, and then if yes, then system exit, just like that. Okay, now let's try and run this system. Let's put my name.